Hello, hey everyone. It's Cheryl from Tinker's Card Art, and I'm just popping in for a minute here to show you a quick tip. It's something I just shared while recording a video for my art membership, so I thought maybe it would be good for everyone. So anyways, thanks for popping in. And it's very simple, it's very quick, but it's really effective, and I have been really enjoying this when I'm working, especially on longer paintings that take all day and not just an hour or two. So anyway, just to make your own Stay Wet palette. Hello, thank you guys for popping in. It's so nice to see everybody. I'm only here for a second. Hi, Cindy. So anyways, just quickly, glass palette I got at Hobby Lobby. And I love it because it's got the white paint on the background so I can see my colors. So anyways, you can buy these, and instead of, I do use the Stay Wet palette a lot when I'm painting in the field, and I love that whole setup. You get the sponge and the special paper and all that business. But for working day to day in the studio, this really works. Hi, Lisa. So I buy this from Hobby Lobby, just a glass palette. You could certainly get a piece of glass and have it beveled, or you might have a piece of glass you can use. It doesn't even have to be painted on the back. I take the palette and I soak a bunch of paper towels. This is super simple, I thought. But sometimes the super simple things you don't realize. Soaked paper towels, squeeze them out slightly. They're still a little wet, but they're not dripping. And can you see it there? Yeah, I think you can, right? And I just put them on here. And this is for my acrylic paint. Sorry, you guys, I should have specified that because I'm mostly an acrylic painter. And so this is just to keep my acrylic paints wet longer while I am working. I've been doing a lot of more intense painting lately, so I'm working all day on the same painting, and this really keeps my colors workable all day long, and sometimes when I come back the next day. Hi, Courtney. And you guys are painters at all? Let me know what you've been painting. I've been working on a series. If you follow me on my page, you will see that I have been doing a Under the Water series lately, which I can always grab. The big ones are over there. I can pull, maybe I can turn the phone around after, because we have a minute. I am actually going live at 12:15. It's Eastern time here, and painting if you want to tune in then. Not sure what I'm painting yet. I still have an hour maybe to figure it out. So anyways, I just put the wet paper towels on that glass palette, and what I really love is I found these parchment paper sheets. This is just baking parchment paper, and I love it that it's just in a sheet. I can just pull it. I don't have to fuss with tearing it the right size. And honestly, this is, hi Lisa Marie, I'll see you later too. This is my online day. I just recorded a class for my membership. I popped on here. I'm going to do a live in a little while, and then I'm going to see you too, Lisa. So anyways, then I just put that parchment paper down, just kind of press it onto the wet paper towels, and it's great. And that parchment paper is almost the same size. It couldn't be better. And I have to find out where I got them. It could have been Aldi's. I'm not sure. It's Boulder brand. But I love the idea that you can just pull out the sheets. Great for baking, but even better for your paints. And so then I'll just put my liquid acrylics on here, and then I will be able to work. Courtney, I do teach painting. So if you'd love to learn, I really specialize in beginners, but I have members that are all levels of painting. So I do break it down step by step, by baby step, to get started in acrylics. I do use a basic set of colors, so you don't have to buy every color under the sun. Hi, Alexis. I'm glad you're here too. So anyways, it's not hard to get started. You can run over to YouTube and see some of my classes there that are free, but I also have a couple paid membership, and I just recorded, let me just show you what we just painted. I just recorded this morning. So this is just a little moody kind of still life. We paint all sorts of things. So this is just one example. We paint all over the place. So for instance, I just sent the newsletter for this month for the Cardist art membership. And for Patty's Day, we're painting like a whimsical, cute painting. So we do whimsy, we do animals, we do still lifes, we do everything. And then we also have this, that's right, this little colorful nighttime painting. So all sorts of things. And if you look, actually there's a link, I believe, the link is featured, so maybe it's showing up somewhere for you. If you click on that link, you will see what the membership's about. It is just 2 memberships. One, we do 3 paintings a month. We paint together by Zoom, and we get recordings. I send recordings. The other one, if you don't have a lot of time, it's simply 1 recorded painting a month. It's $12, and I send it out. It includes the whole recording, the tracers in all different sizes, the color palette, all your instructions, and if you want to just throw something fun into the mix of your painting. But please know that you can learn to paint. It's not something you always have to be born with the talent. People think, oh, I'm born with it. Hi, Lisa. I'll see. I'm going to send that recording out to you guys soon. And hi, George. I saw you watching there. I love it when you guys pop in just like this. And it was a super simple thing this morning. So if you didn't catch it, you'll see it. It's recorded. It's just making your own Stay Wet palette. Oh, good, Courtney. And I'd love you to share what you're working on. And if you ever have a question and you're working, send me a message, send me a picture. If you're stuck on something, I'm happy to help you with that. I just love seeing people embrace creativity and art, and it really just helps us all. So I didn't come on to talk about the membership, but it's there if you want to click on the link. And so my latest series is Under the Sea. So this is one we actually did in the membership, but not quite so detailed. It was on this idea. And then I've been dying to paint a anglerfish. So I finally got that, my big anglerfish there. And I'm gonna just quickly turn it's my studio and it's a mess, but just to show you quickly. Thank you, Lisa, you're a fabulous student. Let's see if you can see, I'm holding this backwards, I'm not even sure. I'm just gonna kind of pan it. So those are some of the bigger paintings, and so I've just got some art fairs this spring, and I'm working on a collection of paintings, and they're all themed under the sea. So that's that. Any questions from you guys, throw them out there. I'm happy to answer them. Like I said, I'm going live at 12:15 to paint something, maybe Valentine's, I'm not sure yet. I'll be live for here on my page and also on Craft Round the Clock. So anyways, leave some comments or questions in the group. I come back and I answer them. And like I said, if I think of something, I just pop on with a quick tip. I know last week I showed you how to trace your pattern on, talked about tracing your design. Even if you're sketching and not doing a class where you have a trace design, it's nice to work it out on paper and then trace it onto your canvas or whatever your surface you're working on. That way you're not sketching and then erasing, and then the canvas gets all messy. Or if you're doing a watercolor, you don't want to be doing that on your watercolor paper. But work out your design on tracing paper, then transfer. So last week, and it'll be on the page, you can find it, how to trace your design onto your surface. Today was just a quick little tip on Stay Wet palette. When I'm working out in the field, plein air painting, I do use the Stay Wet palette. But this works too, out in the field. I keep a little spray bottle around that I can spray if it gets a little dry. But I know painting in acrylics is kind of a race sometimes because you want to be able to blend. And unlike, I love oils, and that was always my medium, and you have all the time in the world to finesse and blend, and that's great. But as I am painting out in the field more, I really want to work in acrylics. It's easier to clean up. My paintings are dry to carry out. It's harder because you're outside and paint dry, so I've been really devising different things to help my paints stay wet longer, so this works out well. So anyways, I'm just popping in. Like I said, I'd love to paint with you guys if you would like to. Like I said, I have YouTube videos, but I also have a private membership, 2 of them. One, we have both beautiful group of creatives, very sharing. We have our private page, and we can communicate, and then we work live together, and it's just such a nice group. So I think that's the best part of the membership, is the group. But a great variety of paintings. We're all over the place. If you like to do animals, if you'd like to do landscapes, if you like to do still lifes, florals. I give a lot of paintings. There's 3, maybe more, 3 and going on 4 maybe years of paintings in our library. And when you join, you have access to all of those. So it's not like, oh, I have to keep up and paint all these 3 paintings that she just mailed out yesterday or set up. You pick and choose. You go back through and you pick, oh, I like to paint animals. So you search and you do the animal paintings. It's not to do all of them. It's to pick what you like. And I like to give just lots of subjects in different styles, because I love painting and I love designing paintings. But it's not like it's something you're going to join and how will I keep up. You just pick and choose what you want. So that's it. Anyways, thank you guys for popping in just on this random little live, and I will see you at 12:15. Bye.